Hello and welcome to this masterclass preview for Advanced Formula Design and Paired Herb Strategy. If you are here, you are ready to move past the basics. We all know the trap. Everyone loves Xiao. We default to the formula name, but we fail to see the unique pathomechanism. We are prescribing an off-the-rack solution when our patient need a custom design. This mechanical approach leads to plateaued results and clinical frustration. The core problem is that we were taught to memorize formulas, not to design them. We lack the architectural thinking to confidently deconstruct a formula, adjust its ratios, and rebuild it for a specific therapeutic vector. This barrier is what separates the average practitioner from the master. This cause is the solution. Our value proposition is simple and powerful. Stop memorizing formulas. Start designing them. This is not a collection of lectures. It is a systematic methodology for formula design. We treat the formula as a complex architectural structure that you will learn to build from the ground up. The course is structured to systematically build your design skills. Module 1, Paired Herbs Fundamentals. We establish the core concept, vector, ratio, and therapeutic imbalance. Module 2, 50 core paired herbs system. We turn 50 pairs into your clinical design toolkit. Module 3, Formula Architecture. We teach you how to see the hierarchy, chief deputy, assistant envoy structure as a vector field, allowing you to understand the formula's true intent. Module 4, Ratio Modification and Clinical Design. The practical application of ratio manipulation for precision prescribing. Module 5, Case Workshops, applying the design methodology to complex cases. Module 6, 4-week Q&A, your opportunity to personalize guidance on your first designed prescriptions. You receive 10 to 15 hours of video content, lifetime access, and 4 weeks of personal guidance. This is the only course that teaches you formula design as a systematic engineering process. Let me give you a 3-minute glimpse into the logic. We use the Dangwei Chuanxiong pair, the engine of Sultang, for substance decoction. Consider a patient with severe stabbing dysmenorrhea. The standard Sultang for substance decoction fails because the standard 1-to-1 ratio is too gentle for her severe stasis. The Dangwei is slowing the Chuanxiong. The design solution is to shift the ratio to 1-to-3, Dangwei to Chuanxiong. We are not adding a new herb. We are manipulating the core vector to create a surgical strike against stasis. This is the aha moment. You realize you have the power to control the formula therapeutic direction simply by adjusting the ratio. This is the essence of formula design. If you are ready to move from mechanical prescribing to advanced formula design, this course is your next step. Regular price $7.99. Early bird pre-sale special $5.99. Deadline December 24th, 2025. This is a limited time opportunity to secure your spot in the first cohort and receive my personal 4-week guidance. Click the link below to secure your $5.99 early bird price and transform your clinical practice.